Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Lock Sport. Well, I got an Abus lock 8345 series. On the other side, all we got is 83. On the shackle, nano protected. I've never tried to pick an Abus before, so we're going to try to get into it. Let's see how this goes. Get a tension wrench in here. And let's see if we can get it picked. I heard Abuses were really hard. I've never tried to pick one before, but we're going to give it a whirl now. Kind of a quiet video, but just trying to get it picked. Again, never picked an Abus lock, don't know anything about them, other than I heard they were kind of hard to pick. And it seems to be living up to its words. Not having too good of luck here. And there we go. Picked the Abus 8345. Pretty much mostly with my snake rake and my little favorite tension tool here. And there it is, guys. Abus 8345 picked. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, looking forward to seeing you on my next video. Goodbye.